Hey guys, welcome. So in this video we will learn about the control statements in Java. We will see why a control statement is used and how it is used in code. Along with this, today in this video we will learn to make a simple application in Java, and that application is a simple calculator. So before moving towards our topic, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, then hit the like button as well. So let's do it. So first of all, let's see what is a control statement and why it is used. So control statement is a statement which is used to change the execution flow of program. Let's take a visual example to understand it. If I ask you what will be the output of this code, pause the video and think about it. So output will be like it will ask for the gender and it will print these lines that you are male or you are female. It will print these both lines. So output is as lines of code are written. But if you want to change this flow, if you want to decide which line should execute it first or which part should be executed first, so for example, we want this program to display the message according to given input. If user give input female, it should display you are female, and if user give input male, then it should print that you are male. So this is done by using the control statement, that is if else. These are the two blocks, if block and the else block. In these brackets of if, we put condition. If that condition become true, so this if block will get executed. If this condition become false, then the else block will be executed. So in nutshell, if this is true, then run the if block. If this is false, then run the else block. Now if I take this same example and make some changes in a way that it should print the gender info according to given input, so let's implement this. For that, let's create a simple program and write these basic lines. As we have learned to use the scanner class in the previous video, so if you don't know how to use the scanner class for getting input, check the description for the video link. So now using if else, as we want to print this line when input is male, so we will write gender dot equals male in bracket. As equals is a method of string class used to compare the strings in Java. So if the input is not male, then execute the else block. So let's try this. For example, if I want to print a line on other input, say suppose invalid input, so for that we use the else if like this. So you can add so many conditions by using else if block like this. Now for getting more grip on this topic, let's make a simple calculator using if else. So what all we want to make is that first of all, program should ask for the first number and then it should ask for the operation which we want to apply. For example, we may want to do the addition or the subtraction. So after that it should ask for the second number and then it should print the answer. So let's create it. For that, first of all, create another Java file and write the basic lines. if I want to add a condition for addition, I mean to say if given input for operator is plus or the addition, then I will write operator dot equals plus in the bracket. Means if in the operator variable there is a plus sign, it will return true, and if this will return true, then this if will get true and this block will be executed, and if this will return the false, then it will not be executed and the other blocks will be executed. So let's add other conditions for other inputs by using else if block. As we know that we cannot divide any number with 0, so here we will add another condition by using nested else if. So within this block I will write there is another thing to notice, that in Java we compare integers by using these two double segment operators. And for comparing strings in Java, we use the method as we used earlier, equals method. So that is used for comparing strings, and double equal sign is used for comparing the integers. So if num2 is equal to 0, then print we cannot divide any number with 0. Otherwise divide it and print the answer. So this is how we use the control statements and created a simple calculator by using if else. So if you have any problem in understanding this, or if you face any error, then put it in the comment. I will answer there. And if you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it